What's up, guys? Yes, just kidding. I'm not Mr. Fresh. Alright, so what's up, guys? It's Evan back with another video. We moved, as you know, and this is my new room house tour. So here we go. This is my box unpacked. This is my new chair for my room, and the light's flickering on and off. So if that happens, it's okay. That's why I have the closet light open. So I sit in the chair, it feels good. Today's my first day of school, so I got my bag and my book in there. I got this. I got my real iPad. I got my Switch and my football. And then I got my bed. So yeah, I didn't make it. I just woke up. Changed. I just changed. This is my little night light. I don't know what I have. I just have for my frog. He's in there. I was playing with him. Then this is my gizmo. I already have a phone, but I don't know my. Oh yeah, I'm using my phone. So this is my basketball. I just play with it. This is my Nerf gun. My Nerf gun collection is not unpacked. And this is my fish. Here, let's feed him. Man, the light's really going on and off now. Look at it. Just goes on and off. Watch it. Yeah, there it goes. So here is a pinch of, that's what you need. And then I gotta change my battery for my light, seriously. Alright, so this is my own game pig. Subscribe if you want him. This is me and my dad at a Cubs game. And then this is my football team. If you know anybody, let me know. That's me. This is my coaches. Yeah, that's my team. This is my Chicago Bears ticket. This is my thing. I got my Rubik's Cube. Got this. I have all my exercise things. Here's my money. My little stuffed animal, Alvin doll. Oh man, that light's really flickering. Oh man, no. Jeez, that's scary. Alright, I'm gonna shut it off. Jeez Louise, it's really getting scary. Holy moly. Alright, so there's my fidget cube. This is all my nice clothes and my suit and all that stuff. That's where all my stuff is, like, you know, it's a Joey doll and all that stuff. All those are in that box. That's all my the clothes. Dirty. This is my Lego stuff, as Simon says. My dominoes are in here. My Legos are in this weird box. And this is all my sketching stuff. Not all my books, but some of my books. I read Captain Underpants. I read Battlestorm, or Battlestorm is basically Fortnite. But yeah, so today's my first day of school. Mineral Elementary, wish me luck. And then this is Guinness World Records, Gamers Edition. Yeah, and then we got all my clothes, my hats, if you guys can see, my sweatshirts, my long pants. Here's all my Legos. I got a lot of Legos. Take a picture of that right now. And then this is my Lego set, but halfway completed. See, it's a car. And this back thing, when you go like that, that goes on and on. So I thought the steering wheel did all of that. This is a little Lego guy. I don't want to get a Lego guy right now, though. So then here's all my gaming stuff. Down for you, like all my Nintendo Switch stuff, my 3DS stuff, my Switch games, all my games and stuff. Like I got Fortnite, I got Arms. Arms is pretty fun. You just punch each other. Pretty violent too. These are all my Switch games. I have like 50 other games. This is my all for my 3DS, and this is for my Switch holder. I think it's for the Nintendo Wii U. Yeah, it's for the Wii U holder, but I use it as a Switch holder. It really works. And then I have all my gaming stuff in here, my 2 3DSs. Yeah. So, yeah, here. And then this is fidget thing. This is cool. I never knew I had this. Alright. We have layers, more and more stuff, a lot of games. So yeah. What's this? Oh, for my Switch. Alright. Let's set this all up again. Let me organize it. Here. I'll put this like here. And then put this in this corner. Put my Switch. Yeah, so this is all my gaming stuff for my room. Like Switch. Yeah, so all that stuff. Let's put this. I should put this more seeable. Put that right there. It's pretty heavy. So yeah, that's basically my room tour. Sorry it's so dark in here, but it's just because that light keeps on flickering on and off. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you my trampoline. I'm gonna show you my new house. I'm gonna show you everything. And if you like my new haircut, I don't like it. Look at it. It's going straight up like a nerd. Today's my first day of school, so I'm going to wash my hair. Yeah, guys, like and subscribe, please, because we got a brand new house. That's not right out of the box, but yeah, all my football cards fit you cute. And then back there, got my all signed football players, like Mitchell Trubisky's right there. It's college here. Then what's in here, guys? Let me know. Oh, yeah, football cards, I forgot. Like, a bunch of football cards and baseball cards and... Oh, I saw a Cubs player. Oh, come on, guys. Where is that Cubs player? Dang it, I lost it. Oh, no, there it is. There, this is him. Oh, there it is. Wow, Rizzo. Wow, that's actually pretty good. Alright, guys. So, bye, like, and subscribe, please. I got a new house. I need about 5 likes for this video if you want to see my tour of my house, or our new house. All right, my family house. All right, guys, like and subscribe.